Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to reset garage door opener myQ. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to use your garage door to actually close your garage through myQ. How do you actually go ahead and reset it? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the myQ app. And then how it essentially works, guys, is that with the myQ app, the usual time when I need to reset the garage door opener is that I'll be reversing in my driveway. And while I'm reversing my driveway, I'll be connected to Wi-Fi, but then my Wi-Fi will lose signal. That's when I'll need to actually go ahead and reset the myQ. So in order to do that on iPhone, all I do is that I actually go ahead and swipe up and hold. I wait until these screens pop up and then I slide the myQ app up. And so once I slide that up, I open up the myQ app again. And then that right there is how you reset your myQ app. And so while I'm doing this, it actually does reconnect the signal to your garage door opener, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and reset your garage door opener on myQ. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.